using Spider-Man theme hamper for little ones. Bag size is 14 inches. Blow pens, pack of 6 with 3 play drawings included along with stencil. Then we have this pen, gun pen, one coin pouch, metal soap tube with paper soaps included, one notebook, rule pages inside, theme based, one metal pencil box with stationery inside, 2 pens, 1 lead pencil, Avenger figure erasers, pack of 3 with proper box packing, eraser figures, insulated bottle 500 ml approximately, snap lock with no leakage, random colors throughout the combo. And we have another color as well. So this is the second color in Spider-Man theme. 2 designs are there, you can choose any of these. 1, 2, 3 and 4 zips included. Pocket to keep water bottle on both the sides. Heavy quality bag. Thank you. With cushion at the back.